This video tutorial discusses how to use filter feature for Creo blog articles in Punditas AI Advisor. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Punditas AI empowers users to quickly access tailored blogs with advanced filtering options, saving time and ensuring relevance. Explore diverse perspectives across platforms, stay updated with the latest developments, and enjoy a seamless, user-friendly experience in discovering valuable content. Search for any Creo-related topic within the search box provided, for example, additive manufacturing. Punditas AI-based insights engine presents search results in the form of a knowledge graph that includes case studies and blog articles for PTC Creo as shown in the picture. The left pane allows filtering of perspectives such as product, support, customer, references, and partner. 289 search results for additive manufacturing are displayed, of which 273 search results pertaining to Creo blogs. Now let's explore the 273 Creo blogs available for additive manufacturing. To access the Creo blogs filter feature, simply expand or open the side navigation bar by clicking the arrow button or click on the filter button. The left pane allows you to filter search results. Punditas AI's filter feature allows users to easily search and select blogs from specific platforms or their favorites, simplifying access, eliminating manual searches, and ensuring quick results from preferred sources. The filter includes blog platforms such as 3HTI, Concurrent Engineering, and more. Users can use this search box to find a specific blog platform. If the platform is available, it will be displayed in the results. For example, the 3HTI is shown here. Here's an example of filtered Creo blog, based on source name like Concurrent Engineering. Once a blog is clicked, it can be viewed on the source site. Effortlessly filter and access relevant content, saving time and boosting efficiency. Stay informed with diverse perspectives and the latest updates in your field. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.